We have Ghostek's Covert 5 case for the Pixel 6 Pro. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And in today's video we have a case from Ghostek, the Covert case for the Pixel 6 Pro. This is your typical Ghostek case packaging here. Some specs in the back. It does have a HD clear back, diamond grip pattern for drop protection, raised camera lip, detailed cutouts, nice and precise, slim precise fit, and a limited lifetime warranty. Reactive buttons, so the buttons are nice and tactile, and it is equipped with R2X impact technology. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at this case. Now this is available in different colors. This is the smoke color. There's a clear and a red or pink, I believe. You can pick this up for $14.98. Link will be in the description below if you want to go ahead and pick up one of these cases. But it's a very soft TPU case here. Nothing too fancy, but it looks good, feels good. The edges are matted all the way around, as well as the camo cover their portion, and you do have a little bit of branding there. It says Covert, Ghostek here on the bottom, and then you have the accent colors on each of the corners. This is the R2 protection and what they're talking about. But the case feels nice in hand. It fits nice and snug. No issues with the case. The cutouts are nice and precise as advertised. Plenty of room there around the charging port. As you can see, it goes all the way back. So if you have an extra thick charging cable and want to plug in, you most definitely can. But cutouts nice and precise. The cutout on top also nice and precise. The buttons are 100% covered and nice and tactile, very responsive. No issues with the buttons whatsoever. You do have lip protection there on the bottom of this case, kind of rounding around the screen there. So there is plenty of lip protection here, and on the top of the case here as well, kind of protrudes. I don't know if you can see, it kind of ramps up, so you do have plenty of lip protection there. So you are protected if you lay your phone on the face flat down on a flat surface. No issues with that whatsoever. And as you can see, the camera portion is mostly covered, and you do have lip protection there around that camera. I even have a tempered glass camera lens protector, and even with that installed, you can see plenty of lip protection there around the camera lens. So there's absolutely no issue if you lay your phone on its back on a flat surface. The camera lens is not gonna get scratched, and it feels and looks amazing. Actually, it looks pretty good. Kind of looks like a goldish color with that white skin that I have underneath. Little bronzy color brown. Looks pretty good actually. The corners, as you can see, they're nice and protected by that R2 technology. No issues there with the corners whatsoever. But this wirelessly charge, and it absolutely wirelessly charges with no issues. Anyways, this case, you can pick it up for $14.98. Link will be in the description below. Look at that bad boy. Bam. Looks amazing. If you have any questions regarding this case, please let me know down in the comments section. I'll try to answer it to the best of my abilities. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.